Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you some search operators for Gmail. So the ones I'm going to show you I feel are very useful. I mean, there's tons of them. You could do Google search for pretty much anything you need to do, but I'm going to show you how a few of my favorites work here. So let me separate these out because they're kind of grouped here. So 3 different categories. So the first one is to find emails that you sent to someone or somebody sent to you. So like this, for example. This is to me from cindysims007@gmail.com. So if I want to find everything that she sent to me, I could use that. So all I got to do is go to my search box here, paste it in there. And now this is everything from Cindy to me, no matter what folder it's in. When I say folder, I mean, these categories here. All right, so that's that one. And then the other one's kind of the opposite, from me to Cindy. So right here, these are the ones that I sent to Cindy, and there's even some that are drafts that weren't sent yet, still in my drafts folder. So that's pretty useful there. Okay, let's go back out. Okay, the next one is to find any email before a certain date. So you could use the before search term or older, and just put the date afterwards. Just be careful if it's a single digit month, put the 0 in front of it. So if I want to show all emails before September 15, 2022, I could run this one or this one. So either one will give you the same results. So here's anything before September 15, 2022. So I have September 14, 2022 and older showing now. And then the same thing. So newer, anything newer than December 30th, 2022. So here's anything newer than that. Goes back to January 31st of this year. Okay, and then the final one I want to show you is to find attachments of a certain size. So you just use the size and then the size in M for megabytes. You're not going to have anything with gigabytes, so you don't need to worry about using a G. So this is going to find anything 5 megabytes and up. Okay, so I got 3 results here. So if I click on one of them here, you can see this is 13 megabytes, so it's 5 and up. Then I could change this to, let's say, 1 and up. Now you can see I have a lot more results here because it's, smaller files that I have more of. So once again, the to and the from, me, use me and me for both, to me, from me, and then for the from and to email address. And then, like I said, for the dates, you could use before or older with the date. Just make sure you use the 0 if it's a 1-digit number, and newer to find something after. So you could use newer and after for that. And then the size, search term, colon, and then how big you want to search for and up. So I'll put these examples in the description, then you can try them out for yourself and change the values to whatever you need them to be and help find the email you're looking for. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.